Hi everybody, this is CR number 9, helper video number 4. And now we are starting two-step equations, which is a little bit different than what we've been doing in the past because there's 2 steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our equation from above so we can work through it. Now, all the time when I am undoing or when I'm trying to solve for a variable or get it by itself, I have to do the opposite operation. If I want x by itself, I'm going to have to get rid of the 2 here, and I'm going to have to get rid of the 4. I always deal with addition and subtraction first. I always do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my ladder, and I'm going to ask myself, is there something being added or subtracted from the variable? And there is. There is a positive 4 or an x, and it's being added by 4 on this left side. The opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. Now remember, the reason why I'm subtracting 4 on both sides is, first of all, they always have to remain equal. And second of all, because positive 4 and a negative 4 zeroes out. And that's what I want. I want to zero that out, so I'm going to be getting that x closer to being by itself. But remember, anything I do to one side, I do to the other. So 14 minus 4 is 10. Now I have a simple one-step equation that you've done before. I ask myself, how is the 2 attached to the x? If there's nothing in between the 2, then we have to remember it's always multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to show division with a fraction bar. And I'm always going to divide by the number or the coefficient that is in front of the variable. So in this situation, it's a 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. But once again, anything I do to one side, I'm doing to the other. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now remember, when these cancel out, I am left with that one x value on that side, which is exactly what I want. So the x value is equal to 5. Give it a try. Good luck.